Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Juan here at Up with the Sun, and this is actually going to be my final video on this channel, but we'll get more into that later. Happy Turkey Day. I am doing my traditional pin unboxing for Thanksgiving.
Today is Thanksgiving night. Oh honey, Thanksgiving? Oh honey, thanks living!
This is like the third year I'm doing it now. So I decided to go ahead and go in a Friendsgiving theme this time. So no Invader Zim, unfortunately. But I had found a great deal on these wonderful Scooby-Doo pins that I could not pass up. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox these. You can see I have a total of 8. So let's go ahead and see if we can complete this set. As you can see, there are 6 in total. So of course we have the whole gang here. We have Scooby-Doo, we have Fred Jones, Shaggy Rogers, Velma Dinkley. We have the gang in the van there, the Mystery Machine, and then we have Daphne Blake. So super excited to get into these. So there are 6 in total. So I am hoping to complete this set today. We'll see what happens. Starting with the first box here. Okay, so yes, I decided that this is going to be my last video on this channel. I have so many great things planned for the new channel, so please go ahead and take some time to head over there at The Wonderful Life. I'm really excited. I have so much planned for December, and it's just really a good opportunity to start anew and afresh. Oh my gosh, these are so hard to get into, excuse me. Oh, and this is why, because they don't come in a baggie. They have this card stock here, and it looks like okay, so it's on the outside. So be careful with opening those, because this card stock can get stuck in the box. So this is the first one. It's supposed to be a good one, and we got Daphne Blake. Awesome, look at her. This is actually not a bad depiction of her. This is actually nicely well drawn, and these aren't even that big. So okay, so this is what she looks like off the back of the card. She's coming out of her frame. Love the colors here, and this is what the back looks like. These are BoxLunch exclusives. Okay, box number 2. Yeah, these boxes are not going to survive. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's facing down, and we got boo, another Daphne. Dang it. Okay, so that's one out of the 2 that I could have afforded a duplicate. Okay, so box number 3. My gosh, these are just a pain in the butt to get into. Okay. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Turkey Day. I hope that you're filling yourself up pretty good today. I am enjoying myself for sure and recovering from Stranger Things Volume 1. Oh my gosh. Jeez Louise. Jeepers. So far, we've only seen Daphne. Will we get someone new? And we got Jinkies. It's Velma. Very, very cool. Okay, always loved her color scheme. And here she is off the backer card. Yeah, really nice. Again, these are smaller than I expected, but again, I got these at such a great price that I really can't be mad overall, except three Daphnes in a row was wild. Halfway through now, so this is box number 5. My gosh. Oh, let's go this way. Boo. Gee, oh my gosh. So we're not going to complete this set today. Very, very funny. Before we continue real quick though, I'm not going to be announcing the giveaway winners on this channel, so it will be at the new channel. So there is still time to enter the giveaway. It's to December 5th at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. US residents only, right? Anyway, the announcement will happen on the new channel. So again, please head over to that channel, subscribe, and enter the giveaway. It's a really good giveaway, I think so myself. And I had originally said that the winner would be announced after December 5th in a video, specifically my new Christmas decor video, but I'm going to do that haul sooner on the other channel anyway. That video will come out on Friday, the last day of the entry, but the video after that, or I will, do it through a short, and of course contact the winners via Instagram or email, however they chose. So it won't be in that video on the 5th. It'll be announced sometime after the fact. So go ahead and make sure that you're subscribed over there. Get your entries in. You have up to 4 entries that you can get. You can choose either from the Disney or the Stranger Things bundle. Really excited to go ahead and crown the winners for that giveaway. Okay, back to this. Okay, what do y'all think? We got... Okay, officially the person who pulled these at the warehouse is... I hope they're having the worst Thanksgiving. I'm just kidding. What in the H? Okay, well, that's what happens with these. I heard a lot of people were getting like duplicates, like a lot of duplicates from BoxLunch when they order online. So it happened to some creator who does a lot of Sailor Moon content. So this is probably what is happening here. Not a big surprise, but my gosh, I want something different. Okay, this is the second to last box. We have box number 6. Do y'all have any Thanksgiving traditions that y'all do? Or is it pretty standard? Majority of my family is in Southern California, and they're celebrating at my aunt's house, which is super cool with all the cousins. So I do miss them, but Friendsgiving is valid as well. Wow. Y'all, was it even worth wasting your time today? The announcement for the giveaway update was worth it. But my goodness, what is this? What's happening here? Final box. Wow. Y'all, I think it was because it's my last video that they decided to just go crazy. So I'm glad that this is not going to get much attention, because my gosh, what a time. And we got I'm done. Seriously, y'all, this was nightmare fuel. Look at this. What do I need with all these? So, what do I need with all these? You know what the best thing is that these can go to one of you. If you're interested in getting a free pin, I will just send these out to you. I don't care. So I can send it as a pair. If I can make a pair, I'll send you a Daphne and a Velma. So go ahead and DM me on Instagram. I have updated it, so this is the new Instagram. So we're going to move right on into the new channel, full force come December. So I'm really excited for that. Thank you so much for joining me and sharing in this very frivolous pin unboxing. I am so thankful for all of you, and I hope to see you migrate over to the new channel as soon as possible, because I really love to continue to have my good friends over there. So that's it. Be safe. Tell someone that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see you on the new channel. Bye.